Override class attributes in Python. Ultimately looking to create a random music scale generator. I'm working on building classes for each mode and wanted to use major or minor scales as a true or false boolean as a starting point. Can someone tell me where I'm off with overriding this attribute for mode 2? Here is my code.
Try a more canonical design. First, I've altered your variables and attributes to reflect Pythonic naming conventions, major equals, is major, canonical case, etc. With that, I've written a subclass initialization that calls the parents in it, then makes desired alterations. I'm a bit confused about the major parameter, though. You ignore it and force the majority according to the class used. In any case, here's the result of my fiddling with your design. Output. If I were doing this, I'd simplify even more, get rid of the different mode classes, and parameterize the one class. Output.